Hello hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you a small Aldi grocery haul. This is not a complete grocery haul, just a couple of items that I picked up. Actually too many items because I really went in there for jelly, some things that Josiah wanted for his list of his certain foods that he eats. He's really particular, and I went ahead and picked up some items to make complete meals for the next 4 days. So this is not a complete haul. Okay, so I picked up some grits, and I also picked up some pancake mix and some sausage. And I picked this up so on Father's Day I can make breakfast for my husband, and I haven't decided. And also my dad, if he is off. I have to check to see if he's off. So I got the grits and the pancake mix, and I'm currently working on that price sheet, guys. So maybe by the time this video comes out, you all will see the price sheet. I went in there for some Concord grape jelly, of course, and then I had this before, so I wanted to pick this up, the turtle cheesecake. And then Josiah kept asking for ice cream over and over and over. So this is the cookies and cream ice cream. It's like $4.19 right now. I needed some more dish soap. They needed some more ketchup. I got Jason some peanuts. That's the empty jelly. And then some sharp cheddar cheese. That's that big thing of peanut butter back here from Walmart in a haul a while ago. It was lasting for a good long time, which is good. Some crinkle cut fries. I think on Saturday or either Friday we'll have burgers and fries, probably. Some mini peanut butter sandwich cookies. I have to make sure to tell Cottrell, do not touch these. And then some tomato and basil garlic. I just picked this up to have it on hand, but I'm also making like a ravioli, or I don't know, it's just elbow macaroni and ground beef, kind of like spaghetti, but I'm just using different noodles tonight. We needed some more cheese. I think their sliced cheese I normally get is 99 cents this week, and it was all out, so I had to get this. It was like $2 something. The Kraft was really high. I wonder if it's the Kraft that much at Walmart. I don't think it is. I got some taco style shredded cheese. I wanted to go ahead and pick up a couple of things for Josiah's birthday is on Father's Day. So Josiah, I forgot what I asked Josiah what he wanted, but he asked for tacos. So that's why I have the chicken, though he prefers ground beef. I'm gonna have chicken tacos and then also the ground beef. And then back over here, he wanted some chicken nuggets. The boys also wanted chicken nuggets. I have been shopping, guys, just haven't been hauling it, and I made myself haul this because I was like, they're probably wanting to see my grocery hauls, and I haven't been picking them up because it's not like a complete haul. So let me know in the comments, even if it's small, if you want to see it or not, even if it's from Walmart or wherever. So I picked up the Purdue organic, it's not organic, it's gluten-free chicken breast to put in a salad, or chicken tenders, and it is really, really good. It's not that much either. It's like $5 and something. It was really good. So I'm gonna see if they have any other options. I was kind of looking, but I was kind of in a rush tonight because everyone's hungry. I was at the end of cooking, so I'm gonna see what options that Aldi's have. Okay, so I also picked up some taco seasoning for the tacos, and then I picked up the corn. This is a really good price. Just I was playing a game. That's what's all that fuss about. He's losing. Some pork sausage for the breakfast for Father's Day. Some sharp cheddar cheese. I did pick up a 7-Up cake. I don't know. I couldn't resist. And then the smoked honey uncured ham. I really need to pick up 2 of these because the boys are back on their kick of eating sandwiches, and they only want ham. The other day I went to Walmart and I got the Oscar Mayer cracked black pepper, and also the rotisserie Oscar Mayer luncheon meat, and they're not eating it, or they're eating it real slow. But JJ said he only wants ham, so I'm like, y'all, or something else. So I picked that up. So I really need to pick up 2 of those because they go through it really quickly. The waffles home style, they $2.19. They didn't have a lot of bread. They didn't have any bread, but the split top right here, and then the whole grain white bread, and I have not picked up white bread for a while for Saya, which is good, but he's like eating, I think all kids his age, eating all around the bread. So since this was the only option, I thought I'll pick this up. And then I picked up some chips for one day we have sandwiches, and that's it, y'all. So tomorrow we probably have fish. Already have tilapia. We'll have fish. I'll make some hush puppies. Josiah likes that. Some type of green. Then on Friday we'll have burgers or sandwiches, and then Friday or Saturday either burgers or sandwiches, whichever one we don't have. And then on Sunday I'll cook the breakfast for Father's Day, and then that afternoon we'll have tacos. And I want to try the walking tacos. You know, if everybody else does the tacos, then they can have whatever choice. If they want to make a salad, if they want to make a soft shell or hard shell, or try the walking taco. So that's it, y'all, to Monday. Yeah, Monday. So guys, thanks so much for watching. And then I figure out lately, oh, that's what I want to say. Lately I have been cooking what is in the pantry. So today, let me show. So today, I just, oh, and I also got this today too, the garlic bread. JJ, put that stuff up for me. The garlic bread with the 5 cheese. So I picked this up to fill them up, but they're having like this spaghetti pasta, like, I don't know if you call it beefaroni. If it has ziti in it, you'll call it baked ziti. So I did have spaghetti noodles, but I just wanted something different. Maybe probably put some mozzarella cheese on top of this. So I've been cooking what's in the pantry, what's in the freezer. Yesterday we had like barbecue chicken. It was some chicken tenders, frozen chicken tenders. So I put some barbecue on it, which I normally don't never do. And I'm trying to think what I had the other day. I think the other day we had like burgers on the grill. Jason cooked those, and it was something else we had the day before, y'all. I cannot think for the life of me. It wasn't breakfast. But anyway, I just been cooking what's in the pantry. So I have some boiled eggs back there in the bag, and then I'm going to cut those right quick, and I'm going to throw it in a salad and some tomatoes, and this is what's for dinner today. So thanks so much for watching, y'all. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so dinner is done. So the toast, this should last them for probably a couple days for leftovers. I made a small salad. It's just got boiled eggs, some cheese, and some bacon bits in it, and some onions. I hate that I just went to the store and I did not get any tomatoes. And also, if I knew that this was all the mozzarella, I would have got more. I thought it was more in there. So that's dinner.